Start off by browning 2 pounds of hamburger meat. Add 3 cubes of beef bouillon, salt, pepper, and some cumino. Add in onion and jalapeno. I took out most of the seeds because of the kiddos. Remove any excess grease. A little bit is okay. 2 28-ounce cans of your favorite baked beans. My rule of thumb is 1 pound of ground beef to each of these cans. Turn your heat down to medium. Add some Wash Your Sister sauce. Add your favorite barbecue sauce, about half a cup or so. A little bit of mustard, not a bunch, and some brown sugar. If you have kiddos, only a few splashes of your favorite hot sauce. If you don't, pour quite a bit. Cilantro, and mix it all together. Turn your heat off. Preheat your oven to 300 to 350, depending on how long you want this to take. I'm gonna cook it low and slow. Almost forgot a little chicken bouillon. Once you stir all this together, you want the liquid to be setting right at the top of it. So since this isn't, I'm gonna add a little bit of water. There you go, perfect. Now we're gonna cover this, pop this into the oven, and make some bacon, extra crispy of course, and add it to it as well. Y'all know what we need to go with this is some cornbread.